Done ourselves a little tool haul here. Gearwrench X-core. This here's the 3/4 drive, and here we got the 1/2-inch drive. And this is how they come. And here we got the 1/2-inch. These are basically identical to the Matco one. That's one of the reasons why I bought them, for a fraction of the price compared to the Matco. And already had some experience with the X-core, because I've got these right here. And they've been actually doing pretty good. And then I bought the Capri tool one right here. They actually been pretty good too. Only one big disappointment is they're so fat right here on the collar that I ran into several times that there was just no room. And I've got one of the Harbor Freight ones. It's I haven't used it much. It's just a backup, but that's what I got here for that. If you can tell the difference between the three, it's pretty significant. Focus. There we go. As you can tell, the diameter of the shoulders, like right here, the Capri is just, I mean, it's just huge. Got a couple other ones here. Got a 1/2-inch drive and a 3/8 drive. And compared to the 19 here on the So if we let me set this off to the side. So if we compare these with one another, you can definitely tell how big of a difference there is in the shoulder. These are just a lot slimmer design. You can tell on the inside the walls are a little thinner of the Gearwrench. If you lay them right next to one another, oh, sorry, you can really tell what the difference is between the two. Okay, so that's the 1/2-inch. Here we got the 3/8, that's 15. Same story. The Gearwrench is a little longer, but then again, if you look at the shoulder of the Capri, it's huge. I mean, it's significant. Makes all the difference when you're running into a tight space. And then the The other thing I noticed on the gear wrench here, which I thought was pretty nifty, the 1/2 inch drive, we got the smaller sizes, so they start at 13. If you look 13, 14, and 15, they're even smaller than there. There we go. So they're even finer yet. So if I grab a, let me grab a 1/2 inch Capri 15 mil. And this is the 1/2 inch drive. But if you set them two next to each other, it's even worse. The difference. As you can tell, that's a lot, and that can make all the difference in getting to it or not. They got about the same amount of swivel to them. It's not much different there. It's just the shoulder that on the Capri. Anyway, but you can tell that angle wise they're about the same. It's just the shoulder between the two, and I paid for the 1/2 inch drive set about 180, and the 3/8 drive set I paid about 120 or so, I believe it was. 3/8 drive goes from 8 mil all the way up to 19. 1/2 inch drive goes from 13 all the way up to 24, and you're missing a 23. You're missing a 23 and a 20. So, all right, folks. Any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment line there. And anything else you want to see, just let me know, and we'll see what we can do for you. Thank you very much. Peace out.